my delicious vegetarian mac and cheese, hamburger helper style.
Right. So I am using some gluten-free macaroni and cheese from Ancient Harvest. This is made with corn, brown rice, and quinoa, elbow style. We're gonna boil that up. Quick cooking tip for anyone cooking with grains. Typically 1 cup of water is good for half a cup of a grain. I have some yellow onions. Yellow sweet onions are over here cooking up in my rapeseed oil. Get those nice and translucent before adding my Beyond Meat. So this was a Beyond Meat burger patty. I have thawed it out, and with a fork I have crushed it so that it will create a ground meat effect. While my meat is cooking with the onions, I'm going to go ahead and add my butter to my pasta. If you are wanting to use a plant-based butter, I highly suggest Flora. That is a really good brand. Drop that in there. You can see I've pulled my pasta off of the burner just because that helps to prevent it from overcooking. If you're looking for a good plant-based American cheese, you can try Daya. They have shredded and American slices. I'm actually going to use real Velveeta cheese because I think my Daya is actually past its expiration date. But this is something that you can do if you want to make this a full vegan mac and cheese. Added my cheese and I'm letting that melt before I add in my meat, which is ready as well. You might need to add a little bit of almond milk or coconut milk or something like that if you are out of water, because what happens if you have too much cheese and not enough liquid is you'll start to destroy your macaroni elbows from over mixing, trying to get it to blend. So I just added a touch of water just to keep the pasta from burning and sticking from the bottom to help with the mixing. Do not forget your salt and pepper. And just keep adding liquid if you need to keep it from sticking to the bottom. So I'm just adding a little bit of water, which eventually will be soaked up. You just have one more chunk of cheese in here that's melting. No stickiness happening at the bottom. I have just enough liquid so that it cooks out and it's not overly liquidy. Just gonna wait for this last chunk of cheese to melt down before putting it in my bowl and plating up. Okay, so I don't know about y'all, but I like to put my mac and cheese in first and then I like to put my meat in. But if you want to get crazy and you want to mix the meat in with the mac and cheese while it's in the same pot, you can do that too. But I like to see the difference in the layers in my meal, and that makes me very happy. Oh my god. It's the perfect time to add some shredded cheese on top and your pepper if you have not already peppered it. Mac and cheese is not complete without pepper. I've already put salt on it, so don't worry. Oh, I'm hungry, guys. I'm sweating and I'm hungry. It's time to eat. We're ready. Let's do this.